And breaking news, a folk fundraiser in which about 3 crore has been raised for a religious function of the Yadav community. Now this, remember, is a traditional way of raising funds for the charity in Gujarat, particularly in rural areas. The Jamnagar MP Poonam is from the same community and was present to increase this charity, and this is the first reaction from her.
ये सालों से सदियों से ये परंपरा चली आ रही है कि पैसे ऐसे उड़ा के उसे, और ना ये पहली बार हुआ है। हर लोक साहित्य और लोकगीत के कार्यक्रम में ये देखा जाता है, ये आम है सौराष्ट्र में। और मुझे अजीब ये लगा कि ये एक सामाजिक कार्यक्रम था, ये कोई राजकीय कार्यक्रम था नहीं। और वहाँ जो भी लोग उपस्थित थे, करीबन मेरे ख्याल से 2 लाख के ऊपर लोगों की संख्या थी। वहाँ पर लोगों की उपस्थिति में ये समग्र कार्यक्रम हुआ है। वहाँ चुने हुए प्रतिनिधि भी, जो लोग प्रतिनिधि है, वो भी बहुत बड़ी संख्या में थे। वो सारी पार्टी लाइन से थे। गौ सेवा के लिए वो पैसे लगेंगे। दूसरा, उसी वहाँ पर एक तीर्थधाम में एक यादव भवन या आयर भवन बनाने की बात है, तो इसलिए वो पैसों का उपयोग किया जाएगा। और तीसरा, जो हमारी बेटियां हैं उनके लिए एक छात्रालय, एक हॉस्टल भी बनेगा।
And Abhishek, tracking more of that story, is with us on the phone line now. Abhishek, though this BJP MP is defending the function, saying that this has been happening for years, but Abhishek, what really is the controversy, and perhaps is there any government clarification also on this?
Well, Deepti, let's first understand that this is a folk tradition in Gujarat. Whenever they need money for a social cause, they organize this program, which is a local folk form called Dairo, and then they collect money. Having said that, the fact that there are certain protocols about dealing with currency notes, and national emblems are embossed on those currency notes, so there is a certain manner in which RBI guidelines are there as to how currency notes need to be handled, essentially because of the national emblems present. So one would say, yes, this is not proper, the manner in which it is done, but at the same time, as I was mentioning, and particularly in the case of Gujarat, it needs to be stressed that this is a tradition, this is a way of life there, and a lot of charity actually happens this way only in this particular part of Gujarat called Saurashtra. So how the government responds to it would be interesting to see. But yes, there are certain questions about handling the currency notes, and maybe...
All right, Abhishek, for the moment, many thanks for getting us those details.